This bottom was fake. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here. And in today's video, the recent bottom on Bitcoin was not actually most likely the bottom. Ethereum is continuing a major downward spiral towards $3,000, and United States stock market is having a difficult time reaching a new all-time high. SEC Chair Gary Gensler says that the process to spot Ethereum ETF approval is going smoothly though. So today we're going to be explaining why, even though the bottom may not be in yet, the bottom will likely be in soon, and for all of you who are excited about the next chapter of Bitcoin bullishness, that is coming. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Many of your favorite cryptocurrencies are down over the last 7 days following a major capitulation that we've been watching on Bitcoin. Over the last several weeks, we have seen Bitcoin drop from $72,000 all the way down to a local low, $13,500 lower than that at $58,500. While Bitcoin has attempted a recent recovery, we can see that the $4,000 recovery is nowhere near the short-term $6,000 drop that we've witnessed and the longer-term nearly $14,000 drop that Bitcoin has gone through. The bears in Bitcoin are still very much in charge, and although it looks like we're holding 60,000 for now, that might be short-lived. RSI originally dropped down to 25.77, but yesterday it rallied all the way back up to 34, meaning that there's actually more room for Bitcoin to drop before RSI would drop back below 25.77. We could drop all the way into the mid-50s and still not go that far to the downside on RSI, indicating more bearishness could be coming. And this bounce that everybody's been talking about is actually very quickly turning into nothing more than a bear flag from which Bitcoin could end up dropping much lower than it currently stands, even as low as the mid-50s. Our next major level of support on Bitcoin sits at $52,800, which is representative of this top that we set here, and also some of the tops that were set on Bitcoin's market back in the 2021 Bitcoin bull market, here again at $52,800. Needless to say, the Bitcoin market could drop quite a bit more, and we're going to need to pay very close attention to see what happens next. Ethereum has also been in a major corrective movement for the last several weeks following the drop on Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is falling back down towards this uptrending level of support, and time is going to tell whether or not we are able to hold it. RSI on Ethereum has dropped all the way down to 38, which is a historical level that Ethereum has visited many times before. Should we fall below 38, we could fall as far as we did the last couple of times, which would be down to 27. That would likely result in Ethereum dropping all the way down to a previous level of support that was set here back in May at $2,850. That would obviously be a great entry on Ethereum, and dollar cost averaging with a little bit of extra emphasis into the dollar cost averaging down at those levels would likely be wise. And part of the reason I'm concerned about Bitcoin right now is because the United States stock market finds itself in this huge ascending wedge right now, which has a large chance of breaking bearish, especially considering there are many people that are starting to wake up to the fact that the United States is not going to drop the effective federal funds rate as soon as many had hoped. This is going to put a damper on many companies' financial plans that were planning around debt getting cheaper. And as earnings reports start coming out in the next month or so, we could see a drop on US stocks, bringing us back down to 480, which would likely lead to a continued drop on Bitcoin. While we don't know that Bitcoin is going to drop below 58,000 yet, the trend is your friend until it ends, and right now we have absolutely no concrete evidence that the trend for Bitcoin's correction is over or is even about to be over. The good news is many of the fundamental developments that have been going on in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space for the last several months are still in progress. Gary Gensler says the process to spot Ethereum ETF approval is going smoothly, and he's also said in other announcements that we could see the Ethereum ETFs go online as soon as August or September. This combined with the fact that Bitcoin normally goes through a correction post-halving, but 12 months after the halving, Bitcoin is normally at least doubled, we are likely to see a major rally starting in the next several months. It just might not be coming in the next couple of weeks. So if Bitcoin does drop down to $52,000, load up your bags, continue to dollar cost average. If Ethereum does drop down to $2,800, load up your bags, continue to dollar cost average, enjoy the fire sale, and continue to build wealth by consistently investing in cryptocurrency. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, the best place to store it is Vault. You see, Vault is an incredible product created by Uphold, which allows you to hold your Bitcoin securely. Instead of having only one private key, you actually have three, and the Uphold Vault works in a 2/3 configuration, which means two of any of the three keys can open the vault. That means that should you lose one of the keys, either your number 1 or your number 2 key, the Uphold key can stand in the place and you can still get access back to your keys even though you lost a key. It's absolutely a great place to park some of your wealth when you are investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so make sure to sign up for Uphold's Vault with the link in the description box down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. But before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, I got a real good feeling.